Okay, so this project is now complete. We just passed final. When we first walked in, this was an empty room. Way over there. And what they want to do is they want to eliminate that one, put a bathroom right here
Yep.
in this spot, and then put the other bathroom right here on the other side of this wall.
Gotcha.
Room. Now there is a bathroom. Nice little shower. I like the matching drain. We go around this side. This was all open. We relocated the shutoff valve there, if it'll focus, and put in a shutoff for the hose bib that's out front that never had a shutoff on it. And around the corner here, we put in this sink. Water heater was existing. Auto vents, not my favorite, but they work. And then we're gonna go around the corner. Mechanical vents for those two sinks. And what used to be the bathroom and the kitchenette is gone. The view's not bad here. And then they made this into another bedroom with another full bath, shower, lavatory, and toilet. So, another wonderful project.